What's poppin', coders? Here we are. We're about to discuss how to install Visual Studio, which is an app we're going to use to basically do C# programming. So first, you're just going to open your web browser. I personally use Google Chrome. You can use it on Microsoft Explorer. Yeah, those type of things. Let's just give it a few seconds for this thing to warm up. Yep, it's taking its time. Oh yeah, here it is. Just log on to my profile. No, I need all that. So ready now. The first thing we're gonna do here is download Microsoft Visual. What is it called again? Microsoft Visual Studio. Yeah. So basically, you gotta type this on your browser. Download Microsoft Visual Studio. You're gonna click on the first link that says download Visual Studio Tools, Mac for Mac, and all those things. Or you can click here if you want the older versions, but for the 2022 one, you can click here. Gotta give it a moment to load up. And you got your community one, your professional one, and your enterprise. Community is usually for those who are free. It's usually for students. This is the one I'm gonna be using. Professional is for professional IDE, best suited for small teams. Usually industries use this Microsoft Visual Studio. Small companies or big companies. Enterprises for scalable end-to-end solutions for teams of any size. So it's basically for either large scale or small scale. It's all you. These two are usually you usually have to pay for them to use them. We're gonna use community, which is free. You gotta click on download. After you click on that, this should appear. You should look for the download here down in your taskbar. I can't really see it because of my taskbar, but once you can, you're gonna click yes here on your installer, which is quite lovely. I'll wait for installer. Yeah, read all these things ain't really important. Just click continue. It's gonna download everything here. Yeah, it kind of takes a while while this thing goes on. So that's basically what you do. Already installed the app here. So yeah, I'm just doing it to show you guys here how to install the app. Shouldn't take too long after now. Yeah, there you go. Usually takes a very long time. And voila. So I already do have Visual Studio Community 2022. What I can do is update it. And here I am doing it. See, it already starts. Then I also have Visual Studio 2019 and Visual Studio Professional 2019 and Professional 2022. So I kind of use them all differently in my vast coding journey. Surprisingly, this should be enough. From here, you will install it, and it should give you something like this one here. After that, you should be able to just launch it and go on. I'm not gonna install it all the way, so this brings an end to this video. Like and subscribe for more content. I'm gonna be starting a series soon about C# applications, console applications to be precise. It's gonna be a series on that. Gonna teach you everything about console applications you're gonna need.